Introducing our amazing Surfboard Rack, the ultimate space-saving storage solution for your boards. With 5 long arms, it provides ample room to store 4 to 5 boards, or to hang your wetsuit, life jacket, and other sporting accessories. Our board rack has a sleek and contemporary design that adds a touch of style to any room. And the best part? It's versatile and suitable for any type and size of board, from surfboards to snowboards, wakeboards, kiteboards, paddle boards, and more. It's strong and durable too. Our rack is made from sustainably sourced rubber wood, making it the conscious choice for your storage needs. Plus, it has sturdy foam-padded arms, a large extra-thick rubber mat, and a handy elastic cord to keep your boards from toppling over. No scratches or dings here. Our board rack has got your back. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install. With only 5 bolts and 4 screws, you can have your rack up on the wall in minutes. So what are you waiting for? Get your own Hang 11 board rack today and get your gear organized.